Hi everyone, my name is Abdelrahman Salah, physical therapist from Misr University of Science and Technology. In this course, we will talk about everything related to the IASTM tools, whether the history of the tool, the idea of it, practical application and how to use the tool and treating different conditions. We will talk about the research that supported the tool, the principles, benefits, physiologic and neurophysiologic responses of IASTM. We will talk about the basic practical concepts that we should take into consideration that differ from condition to condition and from patient to patient before starting your treatment with the tool. Explain in detail how to use A1 blade specifically, why is it designed like this, and what does every edge in it do. We will talk about the different techniques and strokes and how we apply them. And most importantly, for the safety and protection of patients, we will talk about indications, precautions, contraindications, and what are the well-known conditions that IASTM is very efficient and have good results on. And finally, apply the techniques for the upper body and lower body.